What is up, guys? My name is Danby and welcome back to Happy Wheels. Now, I haven't done Happy Wheels in such a long time. Since last time I uploaded, which was about... I'm going to be doing it again. I'm going to be bringing it back to the channel every 3 days per week, or 4, depending on how much time I have to record, and how many videos I record in a single day. But I will try my best to do as many videos as I can, edit as quick as I can. Minecraft quiz beta. Let's see what this is like. Okay, go right to join. Question 1: which mob can explode? Creeper. Oh god. Come on, please. This is like probably one of the easiest quizzes ever. Oh god. Ooh. Which is harder? Wood. Oh, I didn't even see that. I still got it right. Oh, I can't even get over it. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Which creeper can destroy obsidian? Can creeper... No. No, it cannot. See, I'm a friggin' Minecraft noob. Not noob. Just rate it what you think. Okay, I mean, if you know about Minecraft, then you'll fucking blitz it, but... That's kind of crap. I thought I'd be better than that. I don't know, drive a car, okay. Holy shit! Oh. Oh, okay. This is cool. Woo! Oh god. Oh god! Okay, we're gonna do it. Oh, okay, John boy. Ah! Okay. That was really piss easy. That was nothing. Oh, Angry Birds. Let's play a bit of Angry Birds. What the heck? Oh. Oh! Oh! I got it! Right, I know what I'm doing now. Bye-bye. Right, go. Fling! Okay, apart from breaking my arm, well, my leg. Wait, I think I split myself in half. Ugh. That's not cool, dude. Come on! Seriously, please. Oh, I wonder if you could do a handstand. Nah. Ah! No, not working. Oh! Oh, I got it! I got it now. I've got it. I have. It's shit! You don't hold on properly. See, it doesn't. You don't fucking work. The game is broke. The fucking map is dead. Right, we'll try. We'll try one more go. Oh my god, it's actually worked. Fuck this map, man. Real life 3 level. Okay. Let's go! What the fuck? What's that? What is that? Oh my god, what is that? What the heck? Right, broken van. Hey, bitch! What do you think you're doing? Bye. Did I just kill my own brother? To be honest, it did look like he was getting done up from behind. Oh, bye, John. Hey, did I say about pervert? Let's kill the pervert. Damn, what a no-for. I'm a virgin from mind. Oh my god, this just gets funnier and funnier, even though it's so retarded. Hey, Santa! Don't be a douche, man. Holy shit, you got some good samurai. I didn't do anything. I didn't kill him. Right, let's see. Oh shit, son. Yeah, I'm kind of dead. Woo! Woo! Ah! There's if the people doing it for mind. I mean, she must have a great ass to do that. Dead ass. All I can hear from my headphones is just like, ah! There he is. He's my human basket. Protect me, young man. Oh, okay. Ah! My own bike killed me. I want to actually try and complete this level, but I don't know how. Okay, I'm gonna start. Oh, I've done it! Yes, Betty died. Oh no, I died. What the fuck is that? What is that noise? Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy today's episode of Happy Wheels, don't forget to leave a like, because it does help a lot. And if you're new to the channel and you like the video as well, don't forget to subscribe for more. And yeah, like I said, I'll try and get as many as I can in during like the week, maybe 3-4 videos a week, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.